Hello friends, welcome to Samora Bot tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Samora Bot to create a VTU application or VTU website. Here we go. Go to Play Store and search for Samora Bot. This is it. Okay, so I'm not going to use this Samora this time around. I'm going to use another app that is created with Samora to create a VTU app and VTU website, so that it will be very easy for you to manage. This Samora Bot, you can also manage your platforms using Samora Bot, but this is for technical people. So you can see the options we have here. So the second one, website builder and Android app builder. So if you want to create Android app or website, and after that you log in, you click on it, you create another. Okay, so but for people that are not technical enough, so that is why I'm going to use the second option we have, which is just search for web and app creator. Look, you can see this icon, this one. So this is the one we are going to use. I've already installed it. Let me open it. Okay, so all right, now the interface is like this. I have not created anything. Now to get started, click on plus sign here to create. So what do you want to create? Is it website or Android app? So if it is Android app, what is the name of the app you want to create? Let me put example 45. Now email address example 45 at gmail.com. So the password, let us as my user P. All right, so click on create. Now the app is created successfully. Okay, now if it is website, it's the same way. So you just come here and choose website. Okay, so now how do you now get started? You open this, you click on this, click on view details. Now this is your app information. So the app ID, this is the app manager ID. So I will explain this later. Okay, so let us go back. Click on this. Now copy the app ID. This app ID we will need it, but not now. Okay, so but if after you've created your app, I will just advise you, the first thing you need to do is just to click on the fourth option here, which is open manager. So that is where you open the manager of the app. So that is where you will set up the kind of app you want to create. If it is a website, that is where you set up the kind of website you want to create. Okay, so now let me click on it. Now it is telling me to go to my browser and follow this. You can see this M3H, the code is long. What is that? It copies, it gets that ID from here. Okay, so that's not where I'll just show you. So let's go to the manager. That's the first thing you need to do. Copy it. Is that you copy it or you copy it from here, copy, or you click on copy. So after that, you go to your browser. You see this is me. So I've gotten the code and I paste it here. All right, so it is telling me that which kind of app do I want to create. So and then this is the app name. I've already chosen VTU e-wallet. Then the contact number is there. So you click on update button. All right, so this is my app link. Let me open this app link. This is my app. So if I want to log in through web, you can click on login. If you want to register through web, I click on register, and to install the app, you click on install app. Okay, so logo is required. We need to upload our logo. So let's go back to the manager. Okay, so now we have tasks to complete. You need to complete those tasks. You need that. Okay, but the tutorial you need to complete that is very simple. Just click on each one of them, it will guide you. But I need to go straight to admin portal. So click upload logo, you come to this place, you click on settings. You can see, so uploading logo. Let me just choose this. Okay, then you click on upload button beside it. So logo is updated, and go to install app. Good. Now my app, you can see my app is pending. It will take like 24 hours before your app can be installed. But if you don't want to wait, you can actually install app tester. That app tester will let you see what you are going to see when you install your app. So click it. This is the app tester. Let me open it. In the app tester, we have you need to provide your app ID to test run your app. So where will you get the app ID from? So you get it from where you created your app, from here. Click here, copy app ID. You can see copy app ID. This is the app ID. So take it to that app tester, paste it here and click here. This is your app. So that means you can use app tester if you don't want to wait for your app to be ready. So we don't want it takes like that hours, at least 1 hour. So, but you don't want to wait. You want to see how your app will look like. So this is it. So let me of your app. So I've used an example account to log in. So I just register and test run. So you can see you can fund your wallet. But you need to set up payment method. How will you do that? Let us go back to the manager. Main dashboard. You know, it remains 4 links here you need to complete. By the time you complete the 4, your app will be okay. Okay, so your app will be okay. So let me take the last one, which is kindly set up the payment method, because that is the major thing that remains. But before that, we need to agree to the terms and conditions. Yeah. All right. So where do you hear about us? Let me just choose YouTube. Okay. Now this is the interface for the admin in case you want to fund your wallet so that your customer can start buying. But this is stressful. So you just click on it, click on the money, click on fund wallet, but that is not where we are going to. So we are going to how to set up payment method so that your customer can fund their wallet and start buying. Okay, so how will you fund your wallet? How will you set up payment? So click on menu, click on app configuration. So click on VTU and payment setup. Under display, we have online and bank transfer. Okay, so if you scroll down, you put your own bank details there. Let's say UBA, this is your account number, this is your name. So once I put it, I click on save. Now in my app, people will be seeing the account, so that once they send money there, I can actually approve them manually. Okay, but if you don't want to pass through all this manual method, you want everything to be automated so that when you are sleeping, people are still buying and funding their wallet. If you want to do that, we have 4 options. Number 1, you click on set up card payment. Is that you use Paystack? Follow this. Is that you use Paystack or Flutterwave? If you are using Paystack, you go to paystack.com, register, get your account verified, and make sure you enable this chargeback if it is Paystack. So if the Flutterwave that chargeback is not useful. So that chargeback means charges will be on your customer. Okay, charges will be on your customer. If customer want to 400 naira that, and then Flutterwave, Paystack want to debit maybe 1.4 or 1.3, so which means 1.3 naira will be on your customer. That is chargeback enabled. So, but if you disable it, that means you'll be the one to bear the charge. Okay, so well, if it is on Flutterwave, you can set up chargeback from your Flutterwave dashboard. So yeah, go to your Flutterwave account, copy out your public key and secret key. Go to your Paystack account, copy out your public key and secret key. And in your Flutterwave or in your Paystack account, you will, if it is Paystack, you can see Paystack webbook. You need to copy this thing and paste it on your Paystack webbook. If it is Flutterwave, copy this link and paste it in your Flutterwave dashboard. under settings, you see a place for webhook URL. Then you paste this URL there. Okay, but you can see before you can get your account verified on Paystack or on Flutterwave, you need to pass through some processes. Okay, so if you don't want to do that, you can actually go for the second option, which is Monify. So Monify, click on it. Under Monify, you need to go to monify.com, register and get your account verified. You need to pass through a lot of processes too. Okay, so now this is how Monify works. You can see your Monify API key, go to settings under your Monify dashboard to copy it out, contract code, copy it out. So how much charge do you want to charge your customer? Now this, let me explain Monify in details. You know, in some apps, you may see virtual accounts where they just create automatic accounts for you. So if your name is example, they may create Wema example, then your account number, so that when you send money into that account, you will be credited automatically. Then the money will enter your Monify dashboard so that you can withdraw it out. But the process, you need to verify your Monify by undergoing a lot of processes. Okay, so but if you don't want to do that, we have another option here, which is CUDA add-on. Under CUDA add-on, this CUDA add-on is powered by Samora bot itself. So you don't need any process, you don't need any registration, you don't need anything. Just click on this plus sign. Now it is installed. Once it is installed, you go to your, let me go to my app here and refresh. I mean your customer, you know, this is your customer, refresh. So let me click on fund. Now the account number is here. There is 1% charge from 1 naira to 999 naira, and there is 15 naira charge from 1000 naira upwards. So your customer, all your customer will have different account numbers, CUDA account. So once they send money into it, the money will enter here and they can start buying. Let's, for example, you want to buy MTN data. So let's put one number like this. So your PIN, let's check it out. Error, invalid PIN. So now you don't actually have money there. You can hide your this and show it out. Okay, now let's check out the third one. The third one, we have WooPOS. Under WooPOS 2, you will still pass through little process. So but the fastest one is this CUDA add-on. So it will create automatic account number for your customers. All right, now let us now get started this way. How will you now earn? That one is another video on YouTube. How will you earn is on another video on YouTube. All right, so now that you already know how you download your app, let me show you again. If you want to get your app link, you can just go to this place, go to App Manager. This is the app link. So go to this place, it will show you where to download your app, and then it will get delivered to your email address. Okay, now let's check another thing. You know, I told you that you must have money here. You need to fund your own wallet too. This is fund your wallet. If you don't know how to fund wallet, click on how to use WooPOS to fund your wallet. Okay. Now, before customers start buying, like here, before they start buying, you must have money in your API. If you have 100, if your customer has 100 naira here, and you also have 100 naira here, once the customer purchases airtime 100 naira, for example, 100 naira will be debited for your customer, and in this place 97 naira will be debited for your wallet. So remaining 3 naira here. Now that 3 naira is your profit indirectly. So for example, let's check it this way. Go to prices and charges setup. Scroll down. Now on the top here, click here to check our pricing. So you check how much we are charging for each service. For all recharge cards, 98%. For MTN, you can see. So let us look for airtime. For airtime is like 97%. So which means the remaining 3% is yours. Now to set up your own price, so you click on this place. you can see under airtime discount, you can actually put 1 or 2 or 3% discount. Since we are giving it out 97, no, that is 3% discount. So you can also give your customer 3% discount. So it cannot be more than 3% discount unless you run at a loss. Okay, so just go to Play Store and go to YouTube on how to do prices setup. So there's another video on that. Thanks for watching. This is just part 1 of the video, so watch out for part 2.